Alright guys, unboxing. It's from Zagone Studios. This is Krampus. So if you don't know about this company, their masks are handmade in the United States of America, outside of Chicago in a town called Melrose Park. So this, right off the bat, you can feel it is a heavy duty sturdy mask. And they actually care about what they're shipping you because it actually has paper stuffed inside of it. So let me gently cut off the label right here. All right. So the label's been cut off. Uh-oh. There we go. Had a little bit of adhesive on it. It is a very thick latex mask. It does have this sewn into it. It has a tag inside saying made in the USA. So, and it's got, I think that tag is instead of a maker's mark on the inside. So let's give it a try on. So this is Krampus. Krampus. A lot of times they say that Krampus is St. Nicholas's naughty cousin, but that's not true. Krampus is a Christmas demon. Instead of bringing joy and toys to the good little boys and girls, he comes to punish the bad children. So overall, this is a pretty cool mask. So, all your Krampus dreams come true. The one thing I'll say is that it does poke you right here, but it's of super high quality, realistic if there was such thing. Maybe there is, who knows. The horns. So I bought these hooves from Zagone Studios to go along with this. And I bought these hands. So let's see how the hands match with the mask. So, the match is pretty good. Have you been naughty or nice? Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Or it's... Merry Krampus.